Students, Assalamu alaikum. The toughest challenge of COVID-19 is underway. A small microbe originated from the Wuhan city of China has covered almost the whole globe. India is never an exception. Here, the number of infected patients and their rate or their number is increasing day by day, and people are inside their homes, schools are shut. It is better for us to remain inside our homes, and students must opt only way of learning, or that is offline mode or online mode, so that their valuable time may not get wasted. When you move out of your homes in case of any emergency, you need to keep social distancing in mind, and also should follow the guidelines that are being issued by the state machinery to remain safe and sound. Class 11th, subject political science, topic goals of directive principles of state policy. In yesterday's topic, I threw a little bit light what are the directive principles of state policy. And today, I will repeat the things for you and also make you learn what are the goals of directive principles of state policy. Directive principles of state policy are guidelines or directions issued to the government to go for the welfare of the people. I will continue my lecture in all three languages that we usually speak here, that's Urdu, Kashmiri and English, so that you will grasp the things well. ये गाइडलाइंस होते हैं गवर्नमेंट को, जो कोई भी गवर्नमेंट चाहे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हो, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हो, तो गो फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल। इन लोगों की बहबूदी के लिए हर एक गवर्नमेंट को काम करना पड़ेगा। ये जो हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली थी या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स थे, उन इनके जहन में ये ज़रूर था कि हिंदुस्तान आज़ादी के बाद आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस विल डेफिनेटली फेस ए चैलेंज। इनके सामने एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होगा, एंड दैट चैलेंज विल बी हाउ टू बिल्ड एन इग्लिटेरियन सोसाइटी। इग्लिटेरियन सोसाइटी और इग्लिटेरियन स्टेट वो स्टेट होती है जिसमें इक्वालिटी हो, और इस इग्लिटेरियन सोसाइटी को, स्टेट को बिल्ड करने के लिए कुछ गाइडलाइंस का होना जरूरी है। लेकिन ये गाइडलाइंस आर्टिकल 36 से लेकर 51 तक पार्ट 4 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिए गए हैं। So the directive principles of state policy are the guidelines or the directions given to the government to go for the welfare of the people. But they had also one thing in mind, that these directions or guidelines must be not challenged in the court of law, because India being a very poor state. So, going to the today's topic, what are the goals of directive principles of state policy? यानी मकसद क्या है इनकी? डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी, इनके पीछे क्या मकसद था? इनका पहला मकसद है टू प्रमोट सोशल, political and economic justice amongst people। ने पहला गोल जो है ये प्रमोट करना है सोशल ने समाजी, सियासी और इक्तिसादी इंसाफ लोगों में पैदा करना है। दूसरा, टू वर्क फॉर द कॉमन गुड, तमाम इंसानों के लिए अच्छाई का कोई काम हो। इसका दूसरा गोल है टू वर्क फॉर द कॉमन गुड। और इसका जो तीसरा गोल है, जो स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग है, इन्हें रहने का जो मियार है, इट शुड बी रेज्ड, ये बढ़ना चाहिए। और इसका चौथा गोल जो है, दैट शुड बी इक्विटेबल, इन्हें बराबर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, तकसीम ऑफ सर्विस, इक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सर्विसेज, इसका चौथा गोल है। और इसका जो पांचवा गोल है, टू प्रमोट इंटरनेशनल पीस, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग in a world, and the world is itself a society, and we must promote the international peace that also follows in the goals of directive principles of state policy. Let me repeat the things once again for you. Directive principles of state policies are simply the guidelines or the directions from the constitution to the certain governments to go for the welfare of the people. But these principles or directions have its goals. Its first goal is to promote social, economic, and political justice amongst people. Its second is to work for the common good. Its third is to raise the standard of living. Its fourth goal is to promote equitable distribution of services. And its last goal is to promote international peace. So, concluding this topic, I will. This is enough for today. I am concluding the topic. This is enough for today. And tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I may be live again for the next class, but I will also throw the light, a little bit light on the same concept so that you will grasp the things well. In these days of turmoil or unrest, it is better to opt online or offline teaching so that your valuable time may not get wasted. One more thing is there, books are available with you. There are reference books with you. You can see this same topic on your books and get the concept well cleared. Till then, thanks.